This is how you can fix your credit in 30 days. I learned about credit after my identity was stolen by someone. Someone stole my wallet and they actually opened credit cards and phones in my name. After this happened, a collection agency called me and harassed me for like 2 years. And so I'm basically, they said I still needed to pay for it even though it wasn't me. So I'm returning the favor of these collection agencies by showing everyone how to beat them. Okay, a couple things. I will show you how you can fix your credit very easily and for free. You don't need to pay one of these credit repair agencies. I learned how to get negative information off your credit report for free. You'll not find a website that does this. They do all this. We're going to charge you to credit repair and all this stuff. Okay, and that's, I'm going to give you some simple steps you can follow to repair your credit. Okay. First of all, you are entitled to one free yearly credit report from all the credit reporting agencies like Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. Go to freeannualcreditreport.com and request your free report. Once you see your report, find any negative information on your report and go to the dispute section, okay? Make sure you write down a confirmation number after you make a dispute. The next thing, take a look at any of the negative information that's on your credit report. Most negative stuff will be through collection agencies. Decide a reason why any of the negative information is incorrect. The balance is incorrect. Something is not right on it. Submit that. Number 4, once you submit a dispute and tell the collection agency that they need to verify the information, most collection agencies don't do that within 30 days, and then the credit bureaus have to remove it from your credit report. Number 5, go to Credit Karma, get your free score, watch it climb as the negative stuff comes off. It's that simple. This will help get your score up, which will help you save thousands and thousands of dollars over your lifetime, okay? I hope this helps you guys out. Please subscribe to my channel as I put a bunch of videos which can help make your life better, okay? I hope this helps you guys out. Thanks.